Music industry has already started taking advantage of generative AI. People were worried that with the music generated by AI, a lot of creative work will die, but that is not happening. A Korean pop star recorded a song in 6 languages thanks to deep learning. Midnight, who is also better known as Lee Hyun, sang his latest release Masquerade in English, Japanese, Mandarin, Spanish, and Vietnamese, none of which he speaks fluently, as well as his native Korean. The entertainment company Hype used a deep learning system to improve his pronunciation, and on your screen you can see that video. I will drop the link to it in video's description to avoid any copyright. This whole conversion to the different language is based on this model which is called as Nancy. So what happens due to this model is that um, given a vocal recording, Nancy separates pronunciation, timbre, pitch, and volume information. Hybe used neural analysis and synthesis. Nancy, which is a neural speech processor developed by Seoul-based startup Supertone, and Hybe acquired this company in January for 36 million US dollars. It uses Wave to VEC to analyze pronunciation, which is in turn a custom convolutional neural network or CNN for timbre and a custom algorithm for pitch. To analyze volume, it takes an average across a MEL spectrogram, and a MEL spectrogram is simply a visual representation of sound frequency components over time. And then Nancy recombines these 4 elements using a CNN based subsystem. Sounds complex, but if you really think about it in component terms and then they are combining it, then it makes a bit of a sense. Another interesting fact is that Lee initially recorded Masquerade in each of the 6 languages. Then the producers recorded native speakers of the non Korean tongues reading the lyrics in their respective languages. Nancy melded the sung and spoken recordings to adjust Lee's pronunciation. So, how cool is that? And I think this is where AI is going to shine in the future, where they'll be combining human input with the AI generated stuff. I hope that you also enjoyed learning about this. I'll drop the link to both this paper and his songs in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.